Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. So guys, this will be the part 22 of my video series on family GPS tracker app using Android Studio. Alright guys, so in this video I will teach you how to send the verification email to the user specified email address, okay? So that we verify the user and also we also want to keep the fake people out of our application, okay, so that there are not multiple accounts on same email address also. So for that we will send the verification email through the Firebase, okay. So let's get started. So first of all, let me show you the Firebase, okay. So here you need to go to your database part, go to usage, sorry, go to authentication, and here you need to set email password, okay. And after that you need to go to template, and this is the email address verification, okay, when the user signs up. So you can change it a little bit, okay. Project so here we can say family tracker tutorial, okay. Sender name will be admin, we can say Harun, okay. And here we can say outlook.com, verify your email for, okay. So guys, this will be the basic template, okay. Now we click on save button and you can see email template was updated. Alright guys, after that what you need to do is you need to go to your GPS Android Studio, and after that you need to first of all let's go down here, okay. So here in our on complete method, and here we can check if task is successful and if that user is successfully registered, and here we need to change it to email sent for verification, okay. Check email, and after that we need to open the main activity, because we don't want the user to access the user location activity, okay. So we will send it back to our main activity dot class. Alright guys, and here we let's set send verification email. Alright, and let's create the method, create method, okay. Send verification email, sorry guys, and let's go down there. Here you can say public void send verification email, and in this method we will send the email, okay. So for that we have the user, okay. So we can say user dot send email verification, okay. And we can add on complete listeners, new on complete listeners, and here we can check if task is successful. What we need to do, if the task is successful we can enter the message email and for verification. All right, and we can say finish, and after that we need to sign out, okay guys. So now the user will be signed out. Here we can, I mean, remove that, okay. And after that we, okay. So here let me change it a little bit. If the task is successful, else could not send email. All right, and now whenever the user click on sign in button, okay, so we need to check if the user is already verified or not. Okay, so for that we go to our, let's say, password activity. Okay, login activity. All right, and here we can check if the user is successfully logged in. Let's remove that, and here we can check. Let's say if we have the user. Okay, so here we can say Firebase user equals to auth dot get current user if user dot is email verified. Okay, if the user's email is verified, so we can say, okay, so we don't have any dialogue, and we can say finish, and yeah, it's a new intent. Okay, so let's just copy cut that. As part, you can say that email is not verified yet. All right, guys, so let's run our application again. So our phone is connected, so let's try to run our app. Let's run it, and let's check if our code is running fine or not. So we need to click on sign in, and as I already have an account, okay, so if I provide my password and if I click on login, so here you can say email is not verified yet. Okay, so we need to create another account. So for that I can say, okay, let's first remove my account. No, okay, let's create another account. Okay, this is my Gmail account, and now I need to write my password, and I need to click on next, new email, and let's select an image. Now next we need to click on next. Here is our circle code. We need to click on register. So guys, as you can see, email sent for verification, and this is opened. Okay, so there is a problem. We don't want this to open. So here I have received an email. Okay, let me show you. Let's sign out. Okay, it's not signing me out. Okay, so let's try it. I show you the email which we get. This is the email which we receive. Okay, hello, this is follow this link to verify your email address. Okay, so when we click on this link, our email will be verified, but before that I need to correct my code. For that, so let me go to uh, invite code activity. Here we need to send verification email. and here we are going to main activity. Let's say what's the main activity. I don't know why that activity is getting opened. Okay, in our user location main activity, what we need to do is when the user is successfully signed out, main activity dot class. Okay, so let's say what is the problem. Alright, let's open it again. Now we click on sign in, and if I enter my email and if I click on login, you can say email is not verified yet. Alright, email is not verified yet. So if I click on verify email, okay, and here you can see your email has been verified. Okay, so now when I click on login, so now I will be successfully logged in. Alright guys, so guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.